Hey friends, today we're working on the Coleman Saluspa and we're going to be adding some bromine, or basically this tutorial is going to work for any kind of chemicals you'd like to add to these specific Coleman inflatable hot tubs. Now today we're using these bromine tablets from HTH, and you can purchase these on Amazon. So basically inside of your packet, when you first open up the Coleman Spa, you'll have a little what's called their Chem Connect little filter thing. And as you can see, it's a little canister here that if we turn to the left, when you turn it enough, you'll hear a little snap as these little tabs come into their respective slots. Then you can pull this right out. Now this is where we're going to be sticking our bromine tablets. Now inside our canister, you can see the little tablets look like this. They're these smaller guys that are meant to fit in some of these smaller encasements. And we'll just put 3 right there. Again, make sure you wash your hands after touching these. Just gonna stick that right down in there. And then we'll put the top of our canister back into place. Again, just make sure those tabs slot down nicely. And then we're gonna just push and push over to the right. And that will lock everything into place. We're now ready to stick this down in our spa. Okay, you can see I've removed the cover to the hot tub. And what we're looking for is the filter unit. It's right here. This is where the water pumps out, and you can feel it down here. There's heat coming out. So water will come in through the bottom filter there, and then it'll push out through this little valve here. And that's where we're gonna be putting our little Chem Connect canister. So I've got the canister right here, and basically you can see it has a couple little tabs on the bottom. All we're gonna do is submerge it underwater, get it over that specific area, and we're just gonna twist left until that tightens in. As you can see, it's really secure on there. I can put my hand over here and still feel that airflow coming out nicely, so it's not blocking anything. See a few bubbles coming out here as the canister fills up with water. Again, those bromine tablets will now slowly release as the water pushes back out through here, filling your spa up with the chemicals that it needs. So that's it, friends. Hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button for us. Stay tuned. We're making a ton more of these hot tub tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.